Disturbing details about what led to an APD officer taking his life. It happened while Bernalillo County deputies were attempting to serve him a warrant for domestic abuse. Now his estate may be planning to file a wrongful death lawsuit. Now I want to warn you, some of the information is disturbing you're about to hear. Here's Jason McNabb.
KOAT learning that the estate for former APD officer Dominic Castro, who killed himself following a standoff with Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies last month, has filed a petition in court to appoint a wrongful death representative.
That's someone who's appointed by the courts to handle the estate of someone who's deceased.
While the lawyers involved in the case were unavailable for comment on Monday, KOAT legal expert John Day says filing this petition is indicative that a wrongful death lawsuit could be coming soon.
That's the first step in filing. For example, if you wanted to sue APD or the sheriff's office or the state police for a situation like that, then the estate would have to get a personal representative appointed for the purposes of bringing that lawsuit.
KOAT is also learning new details about what led up to Castro's suicide. Investigators say it all happened in this house you see behind me here in Cedar Crest on the early hours of November 6th. That's when they say Officer Castro took his own life following a standoff with Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies. Castro is charged with 2 counts each of kidnapping and false imprisonment, and 1 count each of criminal sexual penetration, battery, child abuse, and communications interference. The charges being filed the day before his standoff with sheriff's deputies. While the documents surrounding the charges remain sealed, police reports obtained by our news partners at the Albuquerque Journal say a woman claims he had shackled her to him with handcuffs, beaten and raped her multiple times, and also threatened the use of a stun gun on both her and her children. The reports also reveal that Castro, an Army and Air Force veteran, was taking small doses of ketamine to treat PTSD at Albuquerque's VA hospital. This ABC News report from 2021 showcased how ketamine is used for therapeutic purposes.
What health officials are discovering now is that in small doses, it may be helpful to people struggling with addictions, PTSD, anxiety, suicidal feelings, and other mental health conditions where the person hasn't seen much success with other treatments.
According to APD standard operating procedure, officers are required to disclose to supervisors if they've started any prescription drug use. A spokeswoman for APD said they were not aware when asked if the department knew of Castro's ketamine usage. Jason McNabb, KOAT Action 7 News.
The police report shows Castro was experiencing an extreme mental health crisis at the time of the charges and his death.